everybody, welcome back to Digital's channel. Today, I'm taking you to Durdle Door and Canford Cliffs Beach. These are located in the south of the UK. Now I'm in the perfect car and will take a few minutes to get there because I'm already in the town. Let's start by seeing the sightseeing view, and first we'll go to Durdle Door. Now we are at the car park. It's like on the top of the mountain. Durdle Door is one of iconic landmarks. It is part of the Jurassic Coast World Heritage Site and is an extremely popular beauty spot. Access to the Pepper and Shingle Beach is on foot via a path and steps over the hill from Lewis Cove or down from the car park. It's a bit exciting, isn't it? There is a 20-minute walk along a steep downhill path, plus a further 143 steps down onto the beach. Welcome to the Durdle Door.
Fayda.
There is only one set of steps to access the beach. Well, this place is absolutely amazing. Perfect for family activities. You can enjoy walking time to the beach and return, as well as relax on the beach or swim in the water if it's not too cold for you. Cheers, baby. But life can be more perfect than this, isn't it? But the most important thing, do not forget to bring back your rubbish. Keep the nature beautiful as it has been. So beautiful เห็นยอดหมอกไหมคะหมอกหรือเมฆนี่แหละเราดูมาอีกฝั่งหนึ่งเป็นทะเลค่ะ You can say that you are walking through the cloud. Here we are Canford Cliffs Beach. You can walk from Bournemouth Beach to get here at 6 Connect. This area seems quieter than the Bournemouth. Let me get closer to the sea. Wow, the sand is so soft.คือหอยอังกฤษนะคะเอามาให้ดูI hope you enjoyed with this video. Please subscribe and follow me on the Facebook page Digitals. I'm living with the dinner moments by the beach and see you next time. Bye bye.